Hey there, digital nomads and remote work enthusiasts. Are you dreaming of sipping sangria on a sun-soaked Spanish beach while crushing your work deadlines? Well, get ready to pack your bags and fire up your laptop, because Spain's Digital Nomad Visa is about to make that dream a reality in 2025. In this video, we're diving deep into the step-by-step process of snagging Spain's coveted Digital Nomad Visa, and trust me, it's easier than you might think. Whether you're a seasoned remote worker or just dipping your toes into the digital nomad lifestyle, I've got you covered. First things first. Let's talk about why Spain is the ultimate destination for digital nomads. Picture yourself working from a cozy cafe in Barcelona, taking lunch breaks on the pristine beaches of the Costa del Sol, or wrapping up your workday with tapas and flamenco in Seville. Spain offers the perfect blend of rich culture, stunning landscapes, and a laid-back lifestyle that's ideal for remote workers. Now, let's break down the visa application process. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll need a valid passport, proof of income, and health insurance coverage. Don't stress if you're new to remote work. Spain's Digital Nomad Visa doesn't require years of experience. As long as you can show that you have a stable remote job or freelance gigs, you're good to go. Step 2. Prove your financial stability. Spain wants to make sure you can support yourself while living La Vida Loca. The exact income requirements for 2025 haven't been released yet, but based on current trends, you'll likely need to show a monthly income of around 2,000 to 3,000 euros. Remember, this can come from various sources: your remote job, freelance work, or even investments. Step 3. Find your dream Spanish home base. Whether you're eyeing a chic apartment in Madrid or a rustic villa in the countryside, you'll need to provide proof of accommodation. Don't worry if you're not ready to commit to a long-term lease. Even a short-term rental agreement or an Airbnb booking can suffice for the initial application. Step 4. Get your paperwork in order. This includes a clean criminal record check from your home country and a medical certificate showing you're in good health. Pro tip: start gathering these documents early, as some can take a few weeks to process. Step 5. Submit your application. In 2025, Spain is expected to have a streamlined online application process for digital nomad visas. Keep an eye on the official Spanish immigration website for the most up-to-date information and application portal. Now, let's talk about some of the perks of Spain's Digital Nomad Visa. Not only does it allow you to legally live and work in Spain for up to 2 years with the possibility of extension, but it also offers tax benefits for remote workers. Plus, you'll have access to Spain's excellent healthcare system and the freedom to travel throughout the Schengen area. But wait, there's more. Spain's Digital Nomad Visa isn't just about work. It is about embracing the Spanish way of life. Imagine taking Spanish language classes in the morning, exploring world-class museums in the afternoon, and ending your day with a sunset stroll along the Mediterranean coast. It's the perfect balance of productivity and pleasure. And here is the best part: you don't need to be a tech genius or have a fancy degree to qualify. Spain is welcoming remote workers from all industries and backgrounds. Whether you're a content creator, a virtual assistant, or a software developer, there's a place for you in Spain's thriving digital nomad community. So, are you ready to turn your remote work dreams into reality? Spain's Digital Nomad Visa is your ticket to a life of adventure, culture, and work-life balance. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start preparing now for 2025. Remember, the key to a successful application is being well prepared and staying informed. Keep an eye on our channel for updates on Spain's digital nomad visa requirements and tips for making the most of your Spanish adventure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for weekly digital nomad destination guides. We'll be covering everything from the best co-working spaces in Barcelona to hidden gems in the Spanish countryside. Hasta luego, amigos. See you in Spain.